Picture a patch of earth that's been through a severe, punishing drought. It's totally dry, brittle, and just covered in these deep, jagged cracks. That intense vulnerability, that absolute dryness, honestly, sometimes that is exactly what our own hearts feel like. Because let's be real, there's probably something broken in your life right now. So today, I want to introduce you to the absolute only one in all of existence who can truly repair what is genuinely broken. And I don't mean just patching it up or slapping a temporary bandage over it. I mean fundamentally repairing it from the inside out. What is genuinely broken in your life right now? We so often just rush through our days trying our absolute best to ignore the fractures. We put on a brave face, we stay super busy, we mindlessly scroll on our phones, basically doing anything to avoid looking at the cracks in our own foundation. But here's the thing. True healing simply cannot begin until we acknowledge the reality of our pain. Like, is it a relationship that's fractured way beyond what you thought was even repairable? Is it your confidence that's just been chipped away by repeated failures or maybe some really harsh words? Or maybe it's a completely shattered dream, something you prayed for, you worked for, you cried for, only to watch it just fall apart right in front of you. Listen, it is okay to admit that things are messy and broken. Acknowledging the absolute depth of that break is the crucial first step to meeting the one who specializes in the miraculous repair of those exact things. The name is Al-Jabbar. The root letters of this name point us directly to this dual concept of the Compeller, and so beautifully, the repairer. Actually, say it slowly out loud with me right now. Al-Jabbar. And it is working in your life, repairing those unseen cracks right this very second. And this perfectly highlights the sheer magnitude of what we're actually dealing with here. We try to fix things, right? We offer a shoulder to cry on, we try to superglue a broken vase back together, but the flawless, absolute restoration of a completely shattered heart? Yeah, that belongs exclusively to Al-Jabbar. In Surah Al-Hashr, verse 23, Allah says, the Compeller, the superior. Subhanallah. Allah is directly describing himself to us. He is the Compeller. He compels all things in existence to align with his divine will. And in his infinite mercy, he compels broken bones to knit back together and broken hearts to actually beat with hope once more. So what does this actually mean for us? It means this isn't just a verse we should quickly mumble past in our daily prayers. It is literally Allah opening a window into his own reality. This quality of being the compeller and the repairer is at the absolute core of who he is. When you're in the absolute depths of despair and you call upon him by the name Al-Jabbar, you're calling upon the absolute fullness of this reality. You are speaking directly to the very essence of cosmic repair. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, taught us about this divine quality with words that have, quite literally, warmed the hearts of believers for over 1,400 years. In Sahih Muslim, he said, "Glory be to the owner of the kingdom, the Compeller, the Supreme." Sitting around a crackling campfire on a freezing dark night, listening to this wisdom, that immense warmth, that beautiful light in the darkness, that's exactly what this hadith is meant to be for a tired, worn-out soul. Look at your typical Monday morning reality. It can be incredibly messy, right? It's filled with shattered hearts, broken dreams, those really difficult conversations that just spike your anxiety, and those heavy, totally sleepless nights. But then compare that to the divine reality. Al-Jabbar compels all things, and he mends what absolutely nothing else can. When all our human efforts totally fail to soothe that Monday morning anxiety, the divine reality of Al-Jabbar is right there to bridge the gap and mend it. And the amazing thing is, this divine quality doesn't just stay up in the heavens. It reaches us right here on earth, and usually through creation itself. When you witness something breathtakingly beautiful, like fresh, vibrant green grass finally pushing through dry, cracked earth after a heavy rainstorm, that is Al-Jabbar. When you experience some unexpected, crazy kindness from a total stranger on your worst day, or when you witness someone showing immense patience during a hardship, that's a reflection of Al-Jabbar reaching out to you through his creation. And honestly, the most beautiful part, we are meant to become vessels of this quality for others too. A simple kind word from you could literally be the thing that repairs someone else's totally broken day. Connecting with Al-Jabbar actively heals emotional brokenness. It completely mends that deep spiritual fatigue, when you're just too tired to even keep trying, and it specifically strengthens the heart after really deep trauma. Tomorrow morning, right after your Fajr prayer, and absolutely before you check your phone or let the world demand your attention, just sit for 5 minutes. Breathe slowly in that quiet morning space. Picture a frozen river just slowly thawing out under the brilliant spring sunlight, the water finally rushing freely. Let your heart soften exactly like that. Whisper Ya Al-Jabbar, but say it with a heart full of deep, genuine need and utter, complete trust. Bring your broken pieces to him, all of them. Please don't hide them. Hold up your shattered confidence, your messy, broken relationships, your completely unmet hopes, and ask him specifically to repair what is broken. Brothers and sisters, if this explainer brought any peace, any sliver of hope or light to your heart today, please share it with just one person right now who really needs a reminder of the compeller and repairer in their life. And hey, make sure to subscribe to Mindful Minahil, because next Saturday we are continuing our journey with name 10 of 99, Al-Mutakabbir. It is a name that will humble us all in the absolute most beautiful way, and it perfectly builds on everything we unpacked today. You really won't want to miss it. I just want to leave you with this final, lingering thought. As you step back out into the world today, carrying whatever heavy load you're carrying, just remember this. Bring your broken pieces to Al-Jabbar, because he doesn't just fix things, he literally invented repair itself. May he mend your hearts completely.
Assalamualaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.